In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add payment icons on footer in Shopify. To get started, open your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you will manage the look and settings of your online store. From there, you will find the section labeled Online Store. Click on Online Store to bring up the options for your storefront, including your theme and customization settings. After you click Online Store, the next thing you will see is a list of actions related to your theme. Look for the area where you can make changes to how your store appears. Click Edit Theme. This step is important because payment icons belong to your site design, and editing the theme lets you update the layout in the right place without changing any of your products or checkout settings. Once the theme editor opens, you will be working in the customization area. Take a moment to orient yourself. You should see settings for different parts of your theme, such as the header, pages, and the footer. Click Footer to select the footer section specifically. Choosing footer matters because payment icons should display at the bottom of your site, where customers commonly look for trust and payment information. Now that you have the footer selected, you will be ready to add new content to that area. In the footer settings, look for an option that says Add Block. Click Add Block. This tells Shopify that you want to insert an additional element into your footer layout. If you do not see the exact placement right away, focus on the footer editing area, because the available blocks appear there. After you select Add Block, Shopify will show you a list of block types you can add to the footer. Find and click Payment Icons. This step is straightforward, but it matters because the Payment Icons block is the feature specifically designed to display payment methods in a clean and consistent style. When you select it, you should notice the editor updating, either showing a placeholder or previewing the payment icons within the footer area. Next, you will ensure your changes are applied so they appear on the live storefront. Look for the Save button in the theme editor. Click Save. This step is what makes your update official, so your footer will reflect the new payment icons for visitors. If the editor shows any brief loading or confirmation, wait until it finishes so you know the changes are fully stored. At this point, you have successfully added payment icons to your footer. To double-check, you can preview your store to see how the icons look in context with the rest of your footer content. Make sure the icons are visible and aligned as expected, since the footer can include text, menus, and other blocks that affect spacing. If anything looks off, the good news is that you can always return to the same footer section and adjust the theme layout again. But in general, once you select payment icons and save, the update should appear cleanly and consistently. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.